In our ever-changing world, natural phenomena have a profound impact on our life. One such phenomenon is El Niño, a climatic pattern that influences weather patterns around the globe. El Niño occurs when the normal patterns of oceanic and atmospheric circulation in the Pacific Ocean change, leading to a warming of the central and eastern tropical Pacific. This warming alters the movement of warm ocean currents, impacting the distribution of heat, moisture, and rainfall worldwide. During El Niño, some regions experience heavier rainfall and flooding, while others suffer from prolonged droughts and water scarcity. Agricultural communities often bear the brunt of El Niño's effects. Crops fail, livestock face challenges, and food security becomes a major concern. Understanding El Niño is crucial for predicting and mitigating its impacts. Scientists closely monitor ocean temperatures and atmospheric patterns to forecast the strength and duration of El Niño events. By using advanced computer models and analyzing historical data, scientists can provide valuable insights that help communities prepare for the potential consequences of El Niño. Coastal areas are also significantly affected by El Niño. It can lead to rising sea levels, coastal erosion, and increased storm activity, endangering homes and ecosystems. El Niño also highlights the importance of transitioning to renewable energy sources. By reducing greenhouse gas emissions, we can help stabilize global climate patterns and minimize the frequency and intensity of El Niño events. In the face of El Niño and other environmental challenges, it's crucial for us to come together, adapt, and work towards a sustainable future. By understanding and respecting the power of nature, we can build resilient communities that thrive amidst change. Remember, we all have a role to play in safeguarding our planet for generations to come.